kitang mga violation.
Sir, last na lang, mga kailan kaya natin i-expect yung partial or yung committee report? Next year na, sir? O kaya this year?
Most probably, baka next year na yan. Mga next year na yan. Opo.
Vic Sumintak.
Sir, Chairman Chua, clarification lang. Since the investigation of the House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability is not yet terminated, but you intend to release a partial report, especially on the investigation doon sa Confidential and Intelligence Fund ng Vice President. So, may we know kung kaya kayo nag-release ba ng partial summary report or summary report so that this report can be used by the House Committee on